How to enable anonymous posting in Facebook groups. Let's get started. For that, first of all, launch Facebook application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the three-dot icon, then simply tap on Groups. Now inside here, tap on Your Groups and then select your group where you would like to enable anonymous posting. Now simply tap on Manage and this opens your admin tool. Scroll down and then tap on Group Settings. Now, this is where you can control all of your group feature. Scroll down until you see an anonymous posting or participation, then simply turn this on. After that, you can simply tap on Save. Once enabled, member can post without showing their name publicly, admin can still see who posted, and post may require approval depending on your settings. This feature is only available in Facebook groups and not pages, and it is only available in groups where you are the admin. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.